This recipe is a quick, easy recipe, a recipe that one day you may just want to make something really quick, fast and easy. And this is it. This is a creamy Alfredo Fettuccine. And it's very simple, it's very creamy, and it's very good. So we're going to blend up the first 4 ingredients for this recipe, and which calls for the first part we're going to blend up is 1 cup of coconut milk. And then after that, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of raw cashews rinsed. So we'll add those cashews in. Then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Now we're going to blend this first 4 ingredients until creamy. And I think that is blended enough. Still do have a couple chunks of that cashews in there, so I'm going to just try to scrape it down the side and blend it just a few more minutes more. Okay, so I think that is blended thoroughly. And now we're going to add in the second part. Now we're going to add in another, some more coconut milk. That's why it's so creamy, it's a coconut milk. So that's 1 1/4 cups of coconut milk we're going to add in. And then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of Frontier yeast flakes. And you do not have to add this in if you don't want to. It's optional, because I know some people don't like to use it, so it's optional to add this in. And then we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour or starch. And we're going to blend this up again. Okay, so we have this all blended up. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in a pot. We're going to put this mixture into a pot, and we're going to cook it for about 2-3 minutes until it's thickened. And we also are going to add in, while we cook this, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes and 1/4 teaspoon of basil, which I do have right here. So let's put it in the mixture. Okay, we got that in there, and we're going to add in our basil and our parsley flakes. Mix it in. And now we're going to cook this over the stove until it thickens up. And we are going to add it to our noodles, and which we have already cooked already. And these are linguine noodles that we have cooked. Okay, let's go cook it up. Okay, we're back. So now we're going to pour our sauce over the noodles. And let's see if you can see this. And we're going to mix it. Let me just pour a little bit over right now and then mix it and then add some more in. I'm going to mix this up. The noodles are not that warm, so it's kind of hard to mix up. It's better when you have your noodles warmed, just out of the water, because it's easier to mix. But it does get distributed. You just have to keep working with it. And if you like, I've done this too. I add like peas to it. You can add a can of peas or something to it to make it more, to put some more in it, some more vegetables or whatever you like in it. So we're going to add the rest of this in here and just mix it up. We got all of it. Okay, now I'm going to mix this up. And you can see how creamy it is. I mean, it's very creamy. And when you eat it, it's like, this is so good. You tell me this is not dairy? And it's very good. Very creamy. Doesn't it look delicious? And it tastes just like that, delicious. Yeah, I got a really pretty mix. Well, when you get the idea how to mix it, just mix it thoroughly until it's coated. All the noodles are coated. And then you can put it in a different dish if you want. I just use this bowl to mix it up because it's so, you know, it's a lot to mix in a container that's just going to fit the noodles, because you really need room to mix this. It's kind of thick. It looks like it's about evenly distributed of the noodles. Probably did a little bit more mixing, and we got it. There we go. We have it mixed up. And can you see that? And you have yourself a meal there. Add some peas or whatever you want to it. Enjoy. And this is the finished product. And it has the peas in there, but, you know, of course, if you want the peas mixed in there, I would mix it in with the sauce, you know, and then mix it in with the noodles. But this is a finished product.